Hello Nandor, my name is Eduardo once again. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2019 MT09s. So if you want the special edition, it's 11163 plus HST, or if you want either the black or blue, the price is $10,863 plus taxes. And you have a promotion up to now for $300 after taxes. I do have the three colors, and also I'm gonna show you the 2017 XSR900. Still available, this motorcycle. The same thing, is just the heritage style. It's in blue. I do have one in the stock. Price is $11,163 plus HST and licensing. The same thing, the same program. If you have the Costco card, we can give you a $300 discount after taxes. You please call me and let me know which one do you prefer. Thank you.